cabin,
cabine petite maison,
cabinet,
cabinet armoire,
cable,
câble,
cafe,
café et bistrot,
calculate,
calculer,
calendar,
calendrier,
commerce,
commerce,
camera,
appareil photo caméra,
campaign,
campagne,
canal,
canal,
cancel,
annuler,
candle,
bougie,
canteen,
cantine,
canvas,
toile,
capable,
capable,
capacity,
capacité,
capital,
capital, capitale,
captain,
capitaine,
capture,
capturer,
carbon,
carbone,
cardboard,
carton,
career,
carrière,
careful,
prudent,
careless,
négligent,
carpenter,
charpentier,
carpet,
tapis,
carriers,
transporteur, porteur,
carry,
porteur,
cartoon,
dessin animé, caricature,
case,
car-étui,
castle,
château,
casual,
décontracté, occasionnel,
casualty,
victime, perte,
catalogue,
catalogue,
cattle,
bétail,
caution,
prudence,
cautious,
prudent, circonspect,
ceiling,
plafond,
celebrate,
célébrer,
celebrated,
célèbre,
cellar,
vendeur,
cement,
ciment,
symmetry,
symétrie,
centimeter,
centimètre,
central,
central,
century,
siècle,
ceremony,
cérémonie,
certain,
certain,
certainly,
certainement,
certainty,
certitude,
certificate,
certificat,
certify,
certifié,
chairman,
président,
challenge,
défi, challenge,
champion,
champion,
channel,
canal, chaîne,
chapter,
chapitre,
character,
caractère, personnage,
chatter,
bavarder et papoter,
shopper,
acheteur, client,
cheerful,
joyeux, gai,
chemical,
chimique,
cherish,
chérir,
chicken,
poulet,
children,
enfant,
childhood,
enfance,
childish,
enfantin,
chimney,
cheminée,
chocolate,
chocolat,
chubby,
potelé, rondouillard,
cigar,
cigare,
cigarette,
cigarette,
circle,
cercle,
circular,
circulaire,
circulate,
circuler,
circuit,
circuit,
circus,
cirque,
circumstances,
circonstance,
citizen,
citoyen,
city,
ville,
civil,
civil,
civilization,
civilisation,
civilize,
civilisé,
clarify,
clarifier,
classification,
classification,
classify,
classer,
classical,
classique,
classroom,
salle de classe,
clearing,
clairière, dégagement,
clever,
intelligent, astucieux,
climate,
climat,
clockwork,
mécanisme d'horloge,
clothing,
vêtements,
cloudy,
nuageux,
clumsy,
maladroit,
cluster,
groupe, grappe,
coffee,
café,
coffee pot,
cafetière,
color,
col, collier,
collect,
collecter, recueillir,
collection,
collection,
college,
collège, université,
colony,
colonie,
collar,
col, collier,
color,
couleur,
colorful,
coloré, vif,
column,
colonne,
combination,
combinaison,
combine,
combiné,
comedy,
comédie,
comfort,
confort,
comfortable,
confortable,
command,
commande, ordonnée,
comment,
commentaire,
commentary,
commentaire, analyse,
commentator,
commentateur,
commerce,
commerce,
commercial,
commercial,
comet,
comète,
commonplace,
banal, ordinaire,
common sense,
bon sens,
commotion,
agitation, tumulte,
communicate,
communiquer,
communication,
communication,
community,
communauté,
companion,
compagnon,
company,
entreprise, société,
comparative,
comparatif,
comparatively,
comparativement,
compare,
comparer,
comparison,
comparaison,
compel,
contraindre, obliger,
complete,
complet, terminé,
compete,
concourir, rivaliser,
competition,
compétition,
competitor,
concurrent,
complain,
se plaindre,
complaint,
plainte,
completely,
complètement,
complex,
complexe,
complexion,
incarnation,
complicate,
compliqué,
complicated,
compliqué,
comply,
se conformer, obéir,
compose,
composer,
compound,
composer,
comprehend,
comprendre,
comprehension,
compréhension,
comprehensive,
complet, global,
comprise,
comprendre, inclure,
compulsion,
contrainte, obligation,
compulsory,
obligatoire,
compute,
calculer,
computer,
ordinateur,
comrade,
camarade,
conceal,
cacher et dissimuler,
seed,
graine,
conceit,
vanité, orgueil,
concession,
concession,
conceited,
vaniteux, prétentieux,
conceive,
concevoir,
concentration,
concentration,
rate,
rate,
concept,
concept,
conception,
conception,
concern,
concerne,
concerning,
concerning,
concise,
concise,
conclusion,
conclusion,
concrete,
concrète,
condemn,
condamne,
condition,
condition,
additional,
additionnel,
control,
contrôle,
conduct,
conducte,
conductor,
conducteur,
confer,
confère,
friends,
friends,
conference,
conférence,
confession,
confession,
confidence,
confidence,
student,
student,
confidential,
confidential,
confidentially,
confidentiali,
confine,
confiné et limité,
confirm,
confirmer,
confuse,
confondre,
confusion,
confusion,
congested,
encombrer, congestionner,
congestion,
congestion,
congratulate,
féliciter,
consumer,
consommateur,
connect,
connecter, relier,
connection,
connexion,
conjure,
invoquer, faire apparaître,
conquer,
conquérir,
conscience,
conscience,
conscious,
conscient,
consciousness,
conscience,
consequence,
conséquence,
consequently,
par conséquent,
conservative,
conservateur,
considerably,
considérablement,
considerate,
prévenant, attentionné,
consideration,
considération,
consist,
consister,
conspiracy,
conspiration,
conspire,
conspirer,
conspirator,
conspirateur,
constant,
constant,
construct,
construire,
construction,
construction,
consult,
consulter,
consume,
consommer,
consumption,
consommation,
contact,
contact,
container,
conteneur,
contemplate,
contempler,
contempt,
mépris,
contemptuously,
avec mépris, méprisamment,
contemptible,
méprisable,
content,
contenu, satisfait,
contended,
satisfait,
contest,
concours, contesté,
context,
contexte,
continue,
continuer,
continuous,
continu,
continually,
continuellement,
contract,
contrat,
contradict,
contredire,
contrary,
contraire,
contrast,
contraste,
contribute,
contribuer,
contribution,
contribution,
control,
contrôle,
convenience,
commodité,
convenient,
pratique,
convention,
convention,
conventional,
conventionnel,
conversation,
conversation,
convey,
transmettre, exprimer,
conveyance,
transport, transmission,
convict,
condamné, prisonnier,
conviction,
conviction,
corporate,
corporatif, d'entreprise,
corporation,
société, entreprise,
copy,
copier, copie,
cordial,
cordial,
corner,
coin, angle,
correct,
correct, corriger,
correction,
correction,
correspond,
correspondre,
correspondence,
correspondance,
corridor,
couloir,
corrupt,
corrompre, corrompu,
costly,
coûteux,
cottage,
chalet, petite maison,
cotton,
coton,
counter,
comptoir, opposé,
country,
pays,
countryside,
campagne,
courage,
courage,
courageous,
courageux,
cousin,
cousin, cousine,
cover,
couvrir,
covering,
couverture, revêtement,
coward,
lâche,
cowardice,
lâcheté,
crocker,
biscuit salé, cracker,
cradle,
berceau,
crafty,
rusé, astucieux,
crazy,
fou, folle,
create,
créer,
creatures,
créature,
credit,
crédit,
criminal,
criminel,
crisis,
crise,
cripple,
estropié infirme,
critical,
critique critique important,
crockery,
vaisselle,
crossroads,
carrefour,
cruel,
cruel,
cruelty,
cruauté,
cultivate,
cultiver,
cultural,
culturel,
culture,
culture,
cunning,
astucieux rusé,
cupboard,
placard,
curiosity,
curiosité,
curious,
curieux,
current,
courant actuel,
curtain,
rideau,
curtsy,
révérence,
cushion,
coussin,
custom,
coutume,
customer,
client,
cutlery,
couvert,
cycle,
cycle vélo,
cyclist,
cycliste,
cylinder,
cylindre,